Good morning children. Next topic also we are solving quadratication by the new method, that is using quadratic formula itself. So how to do a quadratic formula? Let us start with the quadratic equation. We know that consider the quadratic equation means which one? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We are using by the method of completing square only. So we are dividing throughout the equation by coefficient of x square other than 1. Here coefficient of x square is a, so we are dividing with a. So x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0, that is divided with the a. Next, x square plus b by ax we are keeping on the right side and we are taking to minus c by a on the other side. Next, x square plus b by ax plus half into coefficient of x, that is b by a, we are adding, and it's a square, we are adding on both the side. So minus c by a plus b half into b by a whole square. Next, x square plus b by a x plus b by 2a whole square. Here minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square means b square by 4a square. Then here we can write in the form of a plus b whole square. So x plus b by 2a whole square equal to, here LCM is 4a square. So here I have to multiply with the 4a. So minus 4ac plus b square we are getting, or we can write that b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. First we have written the positive value, that's all. Now taking the square root on both the sides, x plus b by 2a equal to plus or minus, this term we cannot do anything, so b square minus 4ac under the root only. Next, 4a square root can be written as 2a. Right, now what is x now? X equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The denominator is same, so numerator we can add or subtract. So here plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then this two values are called as a quadratic formula only. So what I can write here, x equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, or x equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b by plus or minus root 2 by a is called as a quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula is used for finding the roots of the quadratic equation, and which is known as a quadratic formula. The roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are given by x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that you have seen in a quadratic formula. But here you have seen that in the root b square minus 4ac is there. For a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two distinct real roots, means two different roots we will get when b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Two real and equal roots we will get when b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now b square minus 4ac less than 0, then it has no real roots. So b square minus 4ac we can calculate, and if we are getting a value which is a positive value, then we can say that it is having a two distinct real roots. But sometimes what will happen, b square minus 4ac equal to 0 will get it. In that case two equal and real roots are there. Sometimes b square minus 4ac is a negative value we will get, then we know that what is the meaning of that one. the equation has no real roots. See, already we have learned one method, that is by the method of completing square. We have solved the examples in the last video. So the last class you have seen that some equations are having the roots, some equations are having equal roots, and some equations are not having any roots. So this also happens when we are dealing with the quadratic formula. So but quadratic formula, one part of the equation is determines this one, that is b square minus 4ac. Since b square minus 4ac determines whether ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has any roots or not, b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant of the quadratic equation. Sometimes in the question it is asked to calculate the discriminant only. So we have to calculate b square minus 4ac, but children will take the root. That is a wrong thing. Without root, b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant, and it is denoted by the letter d only. So here b square minus 4ac only we should calculate first, and if you are getting greater than 0, two real roots are possible. When it is equal to 0, real only, but the values are same, and when we are having b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we can conclude that it is not having any roots. So we will do the examples, that time you can understand more. Solve the following equations by quadratic formula: x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. So the given equation is this, a solution. What we should do means we should compare with the original equations first. So by comparing, again I'll take down x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0, standard form only. Now by comparing with the general formula, a equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 5 only. So a equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 5. Now first step is b square minus 4ac. We will calculate. B square is 25, that means 5 square. 4 into a is 1 into c, that is also 5. So 25 minus 20, it is equal to 5. So I can write it d itself here. So therefore d equal to 5 only. So 5 is a greater than 0. So what is the condition? It is, even if it is not asked, it is the safer part to do in only. Okay. So it is a greater than 0. So what is the answer? 2 distinct real root. Okay. Now what is the formula? By quadratic formula, what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to, we will write the formula first, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b means minus 5 plus or minus, already we have calculated b square minus 4ac. So root 5 I can directly substitute, divided by 2 into 1. So what is the answer here? Minus 5 plus root 5 by 2, minus 5 minus root 5 by 2. So we are having two solutions which are two different values only, two distinct and real roots. Next question, p square x square plus p square minus q square into x minus q square equal to 0. So once again the solution, we have to take down the question first itself. P square x square plus p square minus q square into x minus q square equal to 0. So while comparing, we can write a b c. A equal to p square, b equal to p square minus q square, and c is equal to minus q square. First discriminant we have to calculate, d equal to b square minus 4ac. So p square minus q square whole square only, minus 4 into ac. A means p square and q means minus only, minus q square. So we will write here a minus b whole square, it is p raised to 4 plus minus 2p square q square middle term plus q raised to 4. Now here plus I will write minus into minus plus plus 4p square q square. So after the simplification of these two, we will get p raised to 4 can be written as p square whole square minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2 p square q square. Again q raised to 4 I am writing q square whole square. So instead of this I can write as a p square q square whole square only. So discriminant, it is a square form, so definitely it is greater than 0. So the equation is having two distinct real roots. Right? Quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b means minus of p square minus q square, then plus or minus p square plus q square whole square in the root, okay, divided by 2a means 2p square. So minus sign, minus p square plus q square. Since it is a square, so we can take out the root like this, p square plus q square only, divided by 2p square. So minus p square plus q square, first plus sign, plus p square plus q square by 2p square. What is the second part? Minus p square plus q square, minus sign we have to apply, minus p square minus q square divided by 2p square. So here minus p square plus p square will get cancelled, 2q square by 2p square. Here minus p square we cannot cancel, it is minus 2p square only divided by 2p square. What about the q? Plus q square minus q square will get cancelled. In both the cases 2 I am cancelling, and here q square by p square as it is we cannot cancel furthermore, so q square minus by p square, but p square also here we can cancel, but minus sign is there, so minus 1. So these are the two roots for the given quadratic equation. Next question, 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 equal to 4 by x plus 4. Solution. Take the LCM only. So x plus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to 4 by x plus 4. Cross multiply we have to do, before that will simplification. X plus 2 plus 2x plus 2 equal to 4 by x plus 4. Now no change, denominator also we can multiply, so x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Here x and 2x will get to 3x plus 4. Now cross multiplying, after simplification we are bringing to the x plus 4 here, and 4 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Again multiplication comes 3x square plus 12x plus 4x plus 16 equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 8. So 3x square plus 16x plus 16 minus 4x square minus 12x minus 8 equal to 0. 3x square minus 4x square is minus x square, 16 minus 12 it is plus 4x. Next plus 16 minus 8 it is plus 8 equal to 0. Change of sign, or we can say that we are bringing it to the other side, then it will be x square minus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation we are getting after the simplification. Now we can use for a quadratic formula only. So we will write a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 8. Now quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Formula we have written here. Now we have to calculate a discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac should be calculated. What is b square? Minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8, that is 16 plus 32. So it is equal to 48. Next, that is a d equal to 48, which is greater than 0 only. So two distinct real roots are possible. Therefore x equal to minus b, minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of 48 divided by 2 into 1, right? We are substituted ABC only, that 4 plus 48. So it can be written as a 16 into 3 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus 4 root 3 by 2. So 2 we can cancel. So what is the answer? 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. Don't cancel 2 and 4 like this. It is wrong only. 2 common we can take. Then only we can cancel this 2. So what is the final answer? 2 plus 2 root 3, then 2 minus 2 root 3. So these are the roots of the given equation. Solve here by quadratic formula only. So a equal to, we are taking down the question solution. I will write first. Okay, 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square equal to 0 by comparing a equal to 9 and b equal to minus 9 into a plus b plus c equal to 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Now what is the next step? We should find the discriminant. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. So minus 9 into a plus b whole square minus 4 into 9 bracket 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Okay. So 81 a plus b whole square. So I'll write here. Next minus 36 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Again expansion, 81 and 30. 9 common we can take outside. So 9 into a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Now we have to go for the simplification. 9 outside is the 9a square plus 9b square plus 18ab minus 8a square minus 20ab minus 8b square. 9 again, 9a square minus 8a square is a square only, 9b square minus 8b square is plus b square only, 18ab minus 20ab is minus 2ab. So 9 into a minus b whole square. Definitely square term means it is greater than 0. So what is the, we can say that greater than or equal to 0 also we can do distinct real roots. Square means greater than only, you write. Next, what is the next step? So quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus, what is the formula? Plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here already we have calculated b square minus 4ac also there. Minus b means minus of minus 9 into a plus b. So I put like this, plus or minus 9 into a minus b whole square divided by 2 into 9. So minus into minus 9 only, 9 into a plus b. Now root of this means plus or minus 3 into a minus b divided by 18. So again we have to simplify, little more big calculation is there. 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b. So when we have taken the plus sign, now 9a plus 9b minus 3a, minus into minus plus 3b by 18. So 9a and 3a, what is the answer? 12a. 9b minus 3b, 6b by 18. Here 9a minus 3a, it is 6a. 9b plus 3b, that is 12b by 18. So if you use for cancellation for 6, it is 2a plus b divided by 3, a plus 2b by 3. 2a plus b by 3 and a plus 2b by 3. So little more big only. This type of the questions can be asked in the paper. So practice more. Quadratic formula is an important one. So write down the formula first, learn thoroughly, then do the questions. With this, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.